Hi everyone, it's Natalie and today I'm here with a sticker haul. The first shop that I've got here is new to me. It is Bookish Planning and she does awesome hand lettering. Always jealous of her spread. So her orders come with this little character, I guess this little teddy bear, sticker happiness inside. Bookish Planning is her Instagram account. So the first thing that I got in this order is a little note because I did get some customs from her. Super pretty. Oh, it's such a really nice thank you card. So nice. And it says, since you spent $25 plus, you receive the mystery freebie that includes 2 not yet released designs that won't be out. Okay, oh, awesome. So that's why I got some extras in here. So thank you, Carolina. I'm super happy with my customs too. She was really kind. So this is the first little die cut that I got with my order. So pretty, and she hand lettered my name. Super cute. Love that. This is the little freebie sampler. So you can see her hand lettering's amazing. And everything is on removable matte paper. I think she's now changed to like a permanent matte paper. But you've got her Bookish Planning New Releases Day logo, then you've got her little logo down here, Happy Mail script, Gym Time script, Swim Day with the little bear in the bikini, little bear there, books, movie night, Hello Friday, and Coffee Queen. Super cute. And then it also came with this like journaling card with the little bear character on it, so super cute. And this is what I ordered. So I ordered her pack lunch stickers, which are super cute. Love those, always great for like work or school when you have to pack your lunch. And then I also ordered her study stickers. So you've got study like in this capital font with like half of the letter. Oh, this is not going to be great, but me explaining this. Coloured in, then you've got a more scripty font and a thinner scripty font. Super pretty. Then these ones that say test, so you've got the 3 different fonts as well. Love her hand lettering, wish I could write it like this. And then you have these film, edit, and upload scripts. I love how dainty these are. Then this sheet, which is the reading time sheet. So pretty, love those. First I'll show you, this is the mystery freebie exclusive sneak peek sheet. So you've got these little bears with the quarter boxes, super cute, and then you've got these little bow paper clips, so that's really cute. This is the Netflix and planning sheet. Love that because that's definitely what I do. This is the homework sheet, so you've got the 3 different types of fonts there. Also I got YouTube and planning because I also do that. So I loved when I saw this sticker in a shop. I was like, oh my god, that's so you know, accurate like what I do. So I love these two. And then I believe the rest of the ones that I picked up are all custom. So I'll show you the ones that oh no, actually not all of them. Then there's also this one here, the lecture one. She's got a lot of university stickers in her shop. So I also picked up this lecture one. So you've got the 3 different fonts that she does there. So love those. And then I also got some customs from her because I can't hand letter like this, and I'm super glad that she can. So the first ones that I got were for work, so to mark my work schedule. So there's like this scripty one and then the one in the capital letters. So cute, I love those. Then I also got these lazy day customs which go like across the Erin Condren box. Love those. Then I got some nap time. So cute. University, for when I go to university. And then I also got these relax scripts, which I've already used one. So I love that order from Bookish Planning. I definitely will order more from her in the future. The next shop here is Station Stickers, and I lusted after this kit. I missed this kit and then it came back in stock and I was super happy. So this is the business card. 2 were stuck together, so just got the information on the back there. This is the Bethany kit and I'm so happy I got my hands on it. So I picked it up in glossy. I think they've got 3 different paper types and they do a lot of foiled stuff. So the first page in this kit is a little icon sheet. So I love that you get a little set of foiled icons with their kits. I think that's awesome. So here you've got them in 2 colors. They're really like doodly icons. They're really fun. So this is all gold foil. So you've got an alarm clock, a like doctor, vacuum cleaner, aeroplane, road trip, I guess that's a bill, book or notebook, camera, a laptop, calendar, heart, like celebration, stretching, running, lunch, gift, book, another calendar. You've got a printer here, Happy Mail, soap, iPhone, like shopping basket, a washing machine, a sponge, bin, like people, maybe it's like a meeting, groceries, dishes, a spray bottle, a package sticker, mail sticker, like a notebook and pen, bills, tea, and then a little paw print. So super cute, love those. This kit's super pretty. So these are the 4 boxes, and you also get a washi strip at the top, which is really pretty, and it's all foil. So a lot of the foil that they do is like these little confetti dot splatters. Super pretty, and I love this artwork and the way they put it together. Adore it. So you've got the floral, which is stunning. It's obviously an autumn kit. You've got these boots here that say hello fall. Super pretty. Quote box says thankful, grateful, and blessed, and then you just got the gold foil. It's so pretty. Love that. Then the second page, well, it's the third page really. You get your check boxes here. They're just ombre check boxes, and you also get that forward washi at the top again. The fourth page here, you have your glitter headers. So you get 4 sets of 7 glitter headers. Then you get 7 half boxes. Some are plain, some are in glitter. Then you get 2 flags here, 2 appointment labels or a scheduled and cancelled banner. And then you also get the weekly sidebar sticker. The next page here, you have your headers. So you have colour block headers. So you have today to do and little things. And then you get some for your sidebar. So you get fitness, hydration, work, spending, cleaning, this week, spending, and reminders. And then you get 8 of these label stickers, which I love. And then you get 2 habit trackers. Then here you have your decorative icons. This is their little characters, like a panda. So you get like a sticker Happy Mail panda, and then I guess like a studying, drawing pencil panda. And you also get a planner, coffee cup, running shoes, workout, another running shoe, coffee cup, and balloons. Then you get your weekend banner, and then you get these little like speech bubbles. So you get like a payday one and 2 bill dues, and then another workout sticker, and then a movie marquee. Then the next page here, you have your little things. You have the meals, 7 TVs, 2 envelopes, a laptop, shopping cart, like a delivery van, clinking glasses, and then you have 7 asterisks. And then these date covers, which are really pretty as well. Love those. And then you get a station stickers, new releases sticker, and then 2 little flags, and then all of the date dots here. And then the last page, you do get all of the washi, and this is actually cut out deco here. It looks like washi as well, but it's not, it's deco. You get like little dots as well. So super pretty, and you get a ton of washi strips. I love this kit, it's gorgeous. So that is a Bethany kit from Station Stickers. The next kit, well, order and kits that I got are from Paper Dove Shop. So another one of my favorite stores, makes some beautiful stuff. The first thing that you get from Paper Dove Shop is a journaling card. This one is her Coffee Please card. Super pretty, very chic, so I love that. And the kits, I got 2 kits. So the first kit that I got is her Andrea kit. So this is the full kit. I believe she does a mini kit as well. Super pretty. She does premium matte paper also. So this is like obviously a New York kit, but it's almost like it went like it was photos and then it was like taken over with like a mosaic filter. So I thought this was really fun. So these are the full boxes here. So you get Times Square, outside of Central Park, and then just some New York streets. And you get the skyline and all of that here. So you got overlooking Central Park, Empire State Building and stuff like that. So I thought it was really cool. And then you have the weekly tracker there for the sidebar. The next page here, you get your ombre checklist. Super pretty. Love these like dusty colors. You get like this almost bluish grey, a deeper grey, and then the pink. Then the next page here, you have your 8 checklists. You get mini and larger flags, some icons, some little icon dots, cancelled and not today stickers. Then you get 6 half boxes and 6 quarter boxes, and they've all got the cityscape background popped into them. And then the next page here, you get your headers. So you've got today, to do, and little things headers. And then you've only got 3 for your sidebars. You've got goals, next week, and important. Then you get 2 build dues, 2 habit trackers, and then little things. And these are like a thicker little thing. So I really like those. You get a laptop, a alarm clock, you get 7 meals. You get 4 TVs, a mobile phone, a birthday, rubbish bin, and yeah, so that's all you get there. And then you get some decorative icons here, which are really pretty. So these are her girls. They're called the Flock. I don't know the names of all of them, but you get a girl with Happy Mail, working on a laptop, like Drama Queen, and then coffee. Then you also get a shop till you drop icon, coffee with talkie, me time, Happy Mail, paint nails, a little mobile phone, laundry day, some paper dove shop sticker sheets, a little laptop with the one of the full boxes inside, and then a planner as well with the pattern as well. Super pretty. And then the last page here, you get all your washi. So the washi is like the New York sky, so you get all the clouds there. Super pretty. And then you get your date covers, which is an overview of Central Park from the top of the rock. And then you get some washi strips on the side here, and these are all washi strips as well, and then a cute little script weekend banner. So super fun. So that is the Andrea kit. The next kit I got is the Florence kit, and I couldn't resist this. It's beautiful for autumn, and I cannot wait to use it. So it's the same format, so I'll just go through it. I love the rich colors in this one. So you've got your beautiful florals and the gold glitter border that she does so well, and you've got this girl here holding a bag. And I just love this green watercolor. So you get your full boxes, and then the weekly sidebar sticker here. You get your check boxes. I love these colors, the oranges, the burgundy, the green, super pretty. And then you get this functional page here with your flags, checklist icons, and quarter and half boxes. Then the next page here with your headers, little things, build dues, habit trackers, and decorative icons. And then the last page here with this gorgeous bottom washi, date covers, which is super pretty. I love how she does the heart, washi strips, and the weekend banner. So I love that. And that is everything from Paper Dove Shop. And that is everything from this haul. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave everything linked down below with any coupon codes that I may have. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!